that works.
Hello folks, welcome to this week's tech video at Project Reboot. Just come into the workshop. A Radeon R9 360. A Radeon R9 360 is not on our chart on Tom's Hardware. It doesn't have a brand on it, so it's possibly an OEM. Get the zoom in of that. There it is. Radeon R9 360, 2 gigs. I think we might have to try a Heaven benchmark on that, Burns.
Let's put it on Franklin Rig later.
I'm going to think, if it's a 360, that might be, it can't be as good as an R9 270. That's weird. Let you know on that one. What else we got, Burns? Ooh, the GTX 1050 by Pallet. 2 gigs?
2 gigs.
There it is. It's a GTX 1050. No proprietary connector required. So that might... Oh, it's got HDMI, DVI and DisplayPort. That will go in a nice little cheap gamer maybe. Assuming it works. Test before commit, the Daniel rule. The Daniel rule. Test before commit.
I know someone who could do with that in their system to keep it going.
Right, what else we got, Burns?
Pair of SATA cables. Some DDR2 RAM. Hidden amongst all that was a stick of DDR4.
Ooh. DDR4. Oh, it's an 8 gig stick.
At 2,400.
That's alright, isn't it? Bonus. Right, and some DDR2 you said?
Yep.
2 gig sticks. Okay. Right.
Couple of gigabyte speakers.
Yeah.
Couple of mice.
This looks a bit fancy, doesn't it?
That one will match with my monitor because it's an Acer Predator. I have an Acer Predator as a monitor.
You do, Bernie, don't you? You do.
And it's the same colour scheme as well.
There it is.
But then again, that'll upset my green Razer with the keyboard and mouse that I use. So.
Right. Next. Cheers. What's in the box, Nige? Oh, oh. Just add this in. Ooh. What's that?
LEDs, as it says, Master Box Light 5 RGB.
Ooh. Let's have a. It's a roll. It's a roll of LEDs. At the moment, I don't know what to do with it because we're not really into her yet. We haven't evolved. We are Jurassic. Here we go. So,
Borg cube. No, it's a cube of some sort that lights up.
is it a do you speak to it like Cortana thingy?
No, it's just a Wi-Fi repeater, Nige.
It's an Asus band wireless repeater. Is that like? Do you plug it into your router, Burns, and then oh yeah, I forgot. Didn't see that lot. There we are. So you plug that into your router, and it. What does it do? Magnifies.
It repeats your Wi-Fi. So your router will be by the front door. You can plug that in your living room or whatever. It extends your Wi-Fi.
Groovy.
Or something like that.
Oh right, what have we got here then, Bernie?
Put it on the floor and take it out that way.
That way, shall we? Oh.
Oh, it sounds as though there's something in
Some
it.
shrapnel in the bottom. Empty.
No, we've got some plastic stuff. Oh, we've had this case before.
Ooh.
We've built a gamer out of something similar.
That looks alright. This looks new. Newish. Looks new, doesn't it? It's got a glass panel side. There we are. Standard. Oh, it's got 3 fans on the front. I wonder if they're RGB fans. Oh. Oh dear. Right. It's alright, and it's going well. We've had this before, Burns.
That's what I was trying to tell you. We've built a system very similar to this.
Where does that go? Was this bit here, is it? Yes. Hey? Oh, that's not right. I'm holding this on at the moment. That's not right, is it?
Take this off for the minute.
If you're enjoying watching us make a right old mess of this, give us a thumbs up. Oh, well done. Subscribe to our videos. Look at that, it's got 3 fans on the front.
I don't think these.
No.
It's for this.
I don't think it is.
Maybe it is actually.
Check out our Facebook page. There it is, right down the bottom. Leave some comments. God, these are nice heavy fans. They're proper, they feel like proper quality, those. I don't know what they are. It's got lots of cables going to them, Burns.
There we go.
Don't think they are LEDs.
That part there, so this black part here is screwed on.
Yeah.
So you can have it white or red. We should probably build it red because we like red. And then this bit goes on the top.
Very good. Good for AMD graphics card red. The red team.
Probably won't have an AMD in it because we have a 980 Ti coming in, which will
maybe.
Right.
Let's put all that back together. Next. So a little bit of progress on the GeForce GTX 1050, and that palette one. We've now put that in an HP ProDesk 630 for a customer that came in yesterday. So there it is, that's gone, that's sold now. Right, finally, got a box of phone cases. A massive box of phone cases. Don't know what to do with that. Seen that one. If you've been following us over the last few weeks, you'll see that Jack has been here quite regularly. Jack's last day today. He's off to Swansea University. Chemical engineering. How about that? So that's it, folks, for another week. Say goodbye, Jack. Bye to your YouTubers. Right, thanks very much for watching. Check out our Facebook page, there it is right there. Subscribe, give us a like. See you next week. Cheerio.
Jurassicom Productions.